I'd like to welcome you to the Mad Maker Show, and we have Rory May, Dirty Smith. Doc?
How's everyone doing tonight? Good to be on the show again, sitting in for our boy JP, who is currently on assignment, I believe, for the Queen.
Tell us about that challenge that you do. It's a zombie challenge, which is like freaking, I like it because it's freaking rock and roll.
Concept was, I get contacted a lot about people wanting to make something and they don't know how to make it. And most of the discussion is, you know, you can make a project, but you don't need to forge the whole project. Maybe just one part of it is forged and it's a piece of the whole collective. So the time it was the TV show Walking Dead was wrapping up, and you know, what kind of weapon could you make if you had a forge, even if just you had like a limited ability, and what could you wrangle together? So started with a zombie weapon contest just to get some engagement, get people thinking, get them creative, get the problems out there so we could solve them so they can move on forward. And I believe this is the 5th year that's coming up. Last year had 88 people enter, and I'm going to put a little twist on it just a little bit this year. So there'll be 2 options instead of just a weapon option, and that will start in September. So September 1st, deadline's October 31st. Then Amanda and I sit back with some margaritas and beer and decide who's who and what's what, and make a video promoting everybody and sharing their social media stuff, and it's a good experience with everybody. I also get a lot of response back with like father-sons or father-daughter teams that they had a great time this weekend because they made some kind of scary-looking weapon, or maybe the simplest of tasks, but that experience that they got together during that was a lot more rewarding than they expected. So it's kind of turning into to be a family event.
So I like that connection, and yet it's family oriented as well.
Yeah, right?
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Sof, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Breck McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.